Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is a video about paragraph. This is a short video where you're going to learn how to write paragraph. Now, let's start. The first thing that you have to remember when you're writing paragraph, any kind of paragraph, is that you need your topic sentence. What is topic sentence? It's the central part of a paragraph. It's the main idea. It's the principal idea of a paragraph. So we are going to main idea into paragraph, but express it in a sentence. This is a topic sentence. This is the first thing, the most important thing that you need when you are writing a paragraph. Also, it's not all. We need supporting detail. It means extra sentences. Extra sentences. But these extra sentences or support details are going to be those ideas that the name says supports, helps our paragraph. Okay, supports what idea? This idea. All these extra sentences, these supporting details, will help our topic sentences. And these extra sentences or supporting details are giving relevant information, provide relevant information, and also include examples. Examples that, one more time, support our main idea. Examples that support our main idea. You can see the main idea is the central part. All the other sentences are related to our topic sentence. Well, so let's see a little bit more graphics about this. We have here the topic sentence, that is the main idea expressed in a sentence. With a topic sentence, we summarize what is our paragraph about. With this topic sentence, we need details. To support this idea, we need details. We can put the detail number 1, detail number 2, or detail number 3, or 5, 6, 7, as many details as you want, no more than 10, because a paragraph is not too long, so the average may be 8, 10 supporting details. These supporting details are expressed in form of sentences as well. The topic sentence, of course, is a sentence. These supporting details are going to be expressed in form of sentences too, and they are going to be connected. How we connected one supporting detail with the other? Using connectors. And we have these connectors. For example, also, in addition, and finally, among other connectors that you are going to see during your lessons in English. For example, also, in addition, finally. These are only some examples of connectors. Well, let's see one example. The first step that you have to follow in order to write paragraph is write an outline. The first thing that you have to do is to write an outline. It means to organize your ideas. Just to check if your sentences, if your supporting sentences are agrees with the topic sentence. Okay, so in this part, it's like a brainstorm. You write your sentences related, of course, to your topic sentence, and then you decide how to organize your ideas. For example, here we have a topic sentence. Young people today have many ambitions for the future. This is our topic sentence. And here we have a list of 4 points where we need to fill it up in order to to develop more ideas. These are going to be our supporting ideas. For example, I will write these ideas. Here we have some ideas related to our topic sentence. Then once I have wrote this outline, I may change the position as well, deciding which idea is more relevant and which is the less relevant. You can change the position. Once you have decided what is the correct order of your ideas, it's time to write your paragraph. For example, here, I'm going to use all these ideas to write my paragraph. This is step number 2. What I do first? First of all, I copy, of course, my topic sentence. This is my topic sentence that's color blue. Then I start copying my supporting ideas. This is the supporting idea number 1. As you can see, I am connecting the supporting idea number 1 with one connector. In this case, for example, young people today have many ambitions for the future. For example, these days young people don't dream with families. They prefer getting a master's degree. I am joining my ideas. I can join the third idea as well using another connector. Also, I listen in the class that many people want to make money. And I connect the following idea using another connector. Finally, many young people want to study in another country. Young people have big dreams. They want to eat the world. Okay, so when we are concluding, when we're finishing our paragraph, we restate the last sentence. This is the last sentence. This is a summary, a small summary of the paragraph. In only one sentence, we summarize about all the paragraph, what we have said in the whole paragraph. Or, okay, this is the option number 1. So you summary the whole paragraph. Or the option number 2, you restate the topic sentence. So you have 2 options for the last sentence. You have 2 options. Number 1, to summary the whole paragraph, or number 2, restate topic sentence. In other words, to say the same as the topic sentence, but using other words without repeating the same words. So in order not to be repetitive, so you have to say that you may say the same thing, but with different words. Okay, so in this part we use other as well, other connectors. That could be finally, one of the connectors to link the last sentence is finally. Other connectors that we can use is in summary. Other connector that we can use is in conclusion, or to conclude. These 3 are connectors for the last sentence that is going to end your paragraph. Well, in that way, so you have here your paragraph. First of all, your topic sentence. After that, your supporting ideas connected by connectors. And the last idea, or the last sentence, is a summary or is a restatement of topic sentence using these connectors. Finally, summary, in conclusion, or to conclude. Thank you for watching this. I hope this will help you in order to write your paragraph. Bye bye.